At bilang tulong sa kakulangan ng mga serbisyong medikal na nasa mga liblib na lugar sa bansa, ipinatayo ng isang pribadong kumpanya ang isang ospital sa isang munisipalidad sa Surigao del Norte. Si Mark De La Rosa sa balitang niya.
Isa sa maituturing na problema sa bansa ay ang kakulangan sa mga serbisyong medikal, lalo na sa mga kababayan nating nasa malalayo at liblib na probinsya. At para makatulong sa suliraning ito, naging parte ng advokasya ng Nickel Asia Corporation, Taganito Mining Corporation at Taganito HPAL Nickel Corporation ang pagtataguyod ng mas maayos na serbisyong pangkalusugan sa isang munisipalidad sa Surigao del Norte.
It is my great pleasure to be here today as this marks another significant milestone for the municipality of Calabar and for us, the private sector, particularly the mining and mineral processing industry. We are truly honored to be contributing to the improvement of the healthcare system in this municipality and to be instrumental in the acceleration of the delivery of healthcare service of government aligned to the Philippine Universal Healthcare Law and the global concern to better the well-being of the people.
Ang Claver Community Hospital Project ay patunay ng pagsusumikap ng mga kumpanya na mailapit sa komunidad na higit na nangangailangan ang access sa medical services.
Vision to RISE healthcare facility is an expansion of our current public and private healthcare providers and will benefit not only the Claver community but also the neighboring towns. As we embark of this partnership intended to the community, may this project continue to keep our spirit alive by providing the healthcare services our community deserves.
Bilang bahagi ng social responsibility ng kumpanya, binibigyang diin din nila hindi lang ang kahalagahan ng kalusugan, kundi pati na rin ang pagkamit ng pangmatagalang kaunlarang pang-ekonomiya sa probinsya.
Health systems plays an increasingly important role in driving inclusive and sustainable development. And in addition to health systems function to protect and promote the health of the population, it has many economic and social impacts as well. It is essential to a stable, functioning, and booming economy like Claver's.
Importante ang pagtutulungan ng gobyerno at pribadong kumpanya upang matiyak na makatatanggap ng dekalidad na serbisyong medikal ang bawat mamamayan.
It is my hope that your facility will uphold the highest standards of excellence, integrity, and professionalism as you meet the health needs of every patient. Securing the welfare of our beloved Clavernons is a task that requires the inclusion of all segments of our society. Your involvement reminds us that many are willing to take part in this collective endeavor, ready to rise to the challenge at this exciting juncture in Claver's history.
Mark De La Rosa, para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.
Maraming salamat sa inyo pong pagsubaybay sa Mata ng Agila Primetime. Para malaman ang matatag, matapang at matapat na mga balita, i-follow lamang at mag-subscribe sa @Net25 TV.